text him right now. Hey Lima, Kendra says thank you so much. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Lima says call him whenever, like in the afternoon. Okay. After 11. Okay. He said okay. Good morning, everyone on stream. Good morning for another great trading day. We're excited. I'm stoked for today. We're changing our I've been doing a backtesting strategy. I'll show you guys the data actually. Let me show you the data. I've been doing this backtesting strategy on 1.5 hours. So in our, nothing's changing about our model, but the jumped onto, hey, what's up, Mal? Olive, what's up, Kyle? How you doing, dude? I love it. I've changed something in my model where we only shoot for 1.5 standard deviation instead of 2 or 2.5. And I've been able to get my win rate to 89.47% win rate with a profit factor of 4. Day win percentage is almost 90%. Our average win to loss is terrible, but in the backtesting, I just never moved my stop loss. Obviously, in real time, I would close my trade if it inverted against me or I started noticing I was going the other way. This is not very good because I just said I'm sticking my stop loss. I will not move it until it hits 1.5 just because I wanted the data. But this is not very good. We're trying to get this better right here. Yes, this is on Nasdaq, Kyle. Nasdaq 5-minute inverted fair value gaps, but only inversions on candles created after the 9:30 open candle EST. So like here, only candles that have been created from 9:30 a.m. Or fair value gaps created from 9:30 a.m. and after. Good morning, Slayer. I'd be curious to see what your model evolved into. Yeah. So essentially what it is, all I wait for is 5-minute inversions, but after the 9:30 a.m. candle. So I kind of watch what price does here at like these highs, or like if we tap into London high. Oh, sorry, hang on. Missed call. Oh yeah. Oh, you got in? Sorry. I was talking to chat. You're about to go long in 30 seconds on NQ. Yeah, like maybe, like I would like to eventually probably go long or like learn the 1 minute, right? Because like clearly there's some displacement here. Where's the 9:30 candle? Right, this candle here probably could have been a long entry, right? If you want to just be like I don't know if that's your model or at all or anything, but yeah, I would love to compare with you, Kyle. So for me, like one of my Kyle, like my entry would be if this candle closed below this fair value gap, I'd sell to the standard deviation of 1.5, and that's it. That's all I target. Who's that? Info line. Thank you so much for the follow. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's go. Hey Kyle, how was the previous candle also inverted a gap going up, and it also created a market structure shift? Gold. I hear a lot about XAU. A lot smoother than NQ. Huh. Have you ever traded YM? Oh, GC. Gold futures, okay. Yeah, that's what he was saying. So Kyle in the chat is like diehard Nasdaq, but he said he's just started trading GC, which is gold. Yeah, you haven't done YM? Yeah, I was, because yesterday YM, like, what? Dude, this bot. I need to change this bot. I mean, Kyle just got like, let me see if I can fix that, Kyle. Let me see if I can fix what just happened. How do I like undo what he past few weeks in Q charts have been horrible? Yeah. How was your, I wanted to ask you, Kyle, how was your June? Because mine was really tough with the whole war stuff. How was your June? My May was really good, but my June was like, I struggled in June. Cloudbot, Twitch. Okay. All right, I fixed the bot. Sorry, Kyle. I'd have to backtest some gold. I've never traded that before. I was saying how before the bot literally like removed all of his text. He was saying something about an inversion. Let's see if I can see his old text. Oh, ads? Sorry. Sorry, yeah, Kyle, there's ads. It helps me generate some income with the streams. 3 minutes though. That's crazy. Why did Streamlabs ban Streamlabs? Delete messages. I wish I could undo what Streamlabs did. Okay, I changed the settings, so he shouldn't do that again. He was saying that there was an inversion. Maybe it was on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute. I don't see inversions over here. Might have been on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, there's a little fair value up here. Fair value up here. Inverted. Fair value up here on the 1 minute. Oh, that displacement candle. It was on the 5? On the 5. Oh wait, he's probably talking about this fair value gap, market structure shift. Because I don't see an inversion. Unless I'm just missing it. Oh, maybe this one right here. This inversion of this fair value. Oh no, it didn't invert. Oh wait, it did here. It did here, yeah. Oh, it inverted this. Yeah, I see what he's talking about. So he's saying right here. This fair value gap, inversion, retest, market structure shift. I see what he's saying now. Yeah, the gap from 745. Yep, yeah, I see it now. I see what he's saying. And then market structure shift here, breaking these highs. And now it's pushing up even further. Retested the inversion on this candle. And now pushing. I see. Would it? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Are you putting your stops at this low? The 0. So at the wick of the 9:35 a.m. candle. Nice. Nice. My mentor just did. I'm listening to Casper on here. And he just put one in, yeah. Yeah, like he just put in a long, yeah. So like if you look at the 1 minute, his looks like this. I'll put a little line. Like he's like entered like probably like he's like this. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not doing it, but how many did you do? Oh shoot. He could close his position very soon. That's what I was like, I was trying to catch you first to say just do like one. Okay. Good, yeah. I think there's a little fair value gap forming here too. Small one, but I'll let you know if he closes it. So if it's invalidated, so if you look on the 1 minute, there's a fair value gap, right? So if it's like a fake out for longs and it begins to invert this 1 minute and then trap all these guys who longed and it attacks the lows, it could be like squeezing the guys who went long and then create displacement to the downside. So he's I'll let you know, but with this shift in the structure, it should be all right. Like it broke this high, and potentially about to break this high. Like it looks good to the upside. Oh, shattering pistachio. I don't know what that is. BlackRock holds 696,874 Bitcoin, worth $74 billion. Must be nice. Yeah, it's looking good. What do you mean the number? So he's like for take profit. I think his take profit is shooting for London highs. But he also, I think, let me see. I wouldn't be surprised if he just threw his stop loss too at the previous day high. Because what he'll often do is he'll just throw it up way up there, and then he just trails it. Is what he like most often will do. And then he just trails it as like the 1 minute make structure, right? So his current stop is at the 1 minute consolidation before displacement. So if we get displacement here, what do you mean? On the 5? Yeah, we do. Yeah, so like if you get if you get a 1 minute candle from this area, like my guess is he'd put his stops probably to the 9:50 a.m. candle body, like right around that low if it displaces above the highs. Yeah. If you want to put your TP somewhere smart, you could do 22,781. That's London high. So price is most likely going to try to attack London high. Yeah, but price is failing to displace that high right now. Uh, 2 minute event. Still in long. Who's TP? Oh, we're listening to STB, Kyle. I have him in my thing, in my headphones. And me and my brother trade together in the morning. So he's on the Google call. He's on a Google call with us, and we just trade together and we talk on there. You just got off your long? Yeah. Kyle just closed his long. Not the mentor, but the guy in the chat. Yeah. It failed to displace the 1 minute high. Let's see. Did I get my fair value gap? I did. I did get a little fair value gap. I might get an entry here soon, which would be nice. If we can get an entry before 7, oh my gosh, that'd be great. I get in my long till shorts when I manage the trade on the M1 chart. Oh, okay. Yeah. We've been starting to do that a little bit too, like where you enter on the 5-minute, but then you manage it based on what the 1 minute's doing with displacement, the consolidation, and breakup structures. Okay, trail on order blocks. Okay. Before trail on OBs before change the state of deliveries. Okay. Yeah. You close your long. Nice. Watch, it's gonna finally displace the high now. That would suck. Yeah. If we can get this inversion right here, Zachary, like this be chilling. Like a good, like right here. Nice, dude. Almost funded. You're like, no. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. I swear I'll stop being greedy. Just go back to break even. It's like every trader ever. Every trader has done that. You know what I might do, Zachary, is like take every inversion before 10 a.m. Yeah, because like every inversion yesterday hit. Our time? Why? Yeah, but do you not remember what we said? Anything after 10 sucks. Like anything after 10 was like terrible. That's where you start getting your losses. Give me my money. Is it about to, oh shoot, is it about to do it? I hate it when it does this. So, oh, okay, didn't it do it? I was like, shoot. It's probably gonna do it in this candle. It's gonna do it. Let's see it do it in the next one and give us like a tiny candle. Yeah, so then you get that big wick and then it yeah. Yeah. Boom boom. Back. Just like right now, just do a, let's see, what is this? It just gives us a 314 point candle to the London high. So you'll short that even though trend is bullish. My mic's muted? Shouldn't be. So you'll short that even though the trend is, yes, I'll short that even though the trend is bullish, yeah. Not on Twitch? What? It's saying on Twitch my mic's not working. Let me see. But on YouTube they're saying it's working, but not on Twitch, I guess. I don't know how to like fix that. Test. It's working. Okay. Perfect. Cool. Probably 7. I'll do 7 on shorts, 10 on longs. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's fresh. No. Oh yes, yeah, he is. But the price action's like terrible. Like, I did love that price action. Yeah, I would take the short. Just because, like, say we did get this short, right? Say this was the candle, right? Say that was the candle. We're only shooting to 1.5. So like, I'm not shooting for like the lows, Kyle, or like I'm not shooting for like these lows or fair value gaps or anything. I'm shooting for a very small retracement of the bullish momentum. I'm not looking for a full move to the downside. Like that, if that was it, right? Like that's only. Is that a 12-point move? Right? Is that 12-point move? 48 ticks, I think it is, or. Ooh, that 1 minute just finally gave like finally a break above the structure. I mean, if you bought back in, it would not be because why I would say it's a good reason to buy back in. You got that fair value gap, price came down and tested it, but then gave a strong push off and broke structure, like change in state of delivery on that candle, right? Because it went down then back up. It wouldn't be bad to go long because it respected that fair value gap very nicely. Just do like 1. Don't do like 7. Just like Casper's only in 1 contract. Because it might not work. Because like on the 1 hour, I think you're tapping into a fair value gap. Yeah, you're hitting a 1 hour fair value gap at this high. Like right where price is at right now. So I'll mark it out on my screen. You have this bearish fair value gap right here on the 1 hour. It could displace off this 1 hour fair value gap to the downside, yeah. It could, yeah. It could also push right through it, yeah. And there's like 2, this massive one and this one too, that's open. Oh, that sucks. I think we might have just gone a little fair value up again. We're getting like these small little fair value ups, but hey, doesn't matter about the size. It all matters how you use it. Did you add one to here? Yeah, the model. You were yesterday. You were like, "Hey, I'm locking in. We're being smart. I'm locking in." It's like that one video you said. Hey, bro said he's not gonna trade. 10 minutes into market open, he said. Because arguably, Kyle, on the 1 hour, arguably on the bullish trend idea is like we're actually in discount to then head to premium, or sorry, premium headed to discount potentially on the 1 hour range. We are, and we're tapping into that in fair value gap, a footprint. We could technically go premium here, or I keep saying premium. Discount to the downside on the 1 hour. It is holding this low though, but it could. I don't really focus too much on the bias or the trends. I just kind of focus on what the candle is giving me. What is this video? I'll upload this. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh, what a beast. It left us a very small one. Oh, it looks like we might get another one right here. Yeah, it's the other. I think it's gonna go to London High. Yeah, it sucks. But you gotta see how it reacted to that fair value gap and like a good entry signal for a long. Oh, on another inversion up. Let's see what inversion. Oh yeah, there's some over here that untouched. This one, and then there's this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I think it's gonna go to London High. What time is it? 7:12. Getting back on YouTube, guys. Twitch isn't working for me. No worries. Sorry, Twitch is giving problems. Kyle, I have a question. For your inversions over here, right? You're taking these inversions that are happening. Is it criteria for you that the fair value gap cannot be tested, or can the fair value gap be tested when you invert it to the upside over here? I'm interested on, because like there's this fair value gap that was never tested, but then there's like this fair value gap that has a bunch of tests on it. Like it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests on it. This one untested. It can be tested. Okay. Just not closed through. Okay, got it. He's saying for his model that he's created, the fair value gap can be tested, but it cannot be closed through. So it can never be inverted. But it can be tested, like WEEX in it. Because Kyle took another long, I think on this candle, that inverted this fair value gap right here, is my guess. I could be wrong, but I think it's this candle right here. So this one wicked, inverted on this candle, and then he took, I think, this long. I mean, he probably didn't do what this is my, which would have smacked 1.5. Huh. London high is at 227.81. I think is the coordinates. Yeah, 227.81. Yeah. We're about to get a good fair value up here. That's just what, because what could happen is that London high, it inverses and goes down for us. Kyle, when you say not close through it, do you mean wicks too? Like if the wick is through the fair value gap, or can the wick go through the fair value gap? All right, price is almost to London high. We might be able to get a entry once price kind of taps into London high, gets into a key level, and hopefully gives us a reaction off of there, maybe an inversion that we can catch. Because at that point, we could maybe grab a little retracement from this. You know, price has just been going up since market open, so we can catch a little retracement potentially at London high if it gives us an inversion to the downside.
If it goes this is.
All right. What? Oh. Yep, we got a good one. I think we'll tap into London high probably before we get anything. That's, yeah. Hey, imagine when you're trading in queue, you can join a live chat like Call of Duty, and you can like talk smack to people who like go long or short. you were asking me a question earlier. I don't know what's going on. Having an issue watching the screen. The question I was asking was for the, you said cannot close through the fair value gap. Do you include wicks in that? Like a wick can't go through it, or is it only the body of the candle closing through a fair value gap? All right, we're super close to London high. Super close. We have plenty of fair value gaps below us to take opportunities, so not too worried. We'll get our opportunity. I think price just inverted another one over here. Yep, this little candle. Let's see, does this one hit? Yeah, this one hits too, 1.5. Oh my gosh. So, you know, all the little inversions that are happening to the left? Almost every single one hit 1.5. This one, I'm waiting to see if it hits 1.5 right now, but like this, was it this one? So, we're all of them. Yeah, this one. You got this one. Let's see. This one. Let's see, this one hit 1.5. Okay. This one. So this one hit 1.5. This one hit 1.5. Oh my gosh. Nice displacement candle. I didn't even have, yeah, every single one of those inversions to the left would have hit 1.5. Because they're not in the current market. Like from, or current session, I mean. Yeah, but for me, like in the past, when I would take those fair value gaps are the ones that would sometimes get me wrecked and like stop me out. Where these ones that happen in this New York session tend to be more stronger. I'm gonna keep watching that though, because if they work to 1.5, why not? Yeah, right? Like, yeah, dude, it hit good. He did. You'd be up more than 9K. You entered on this candle. Let's see. You'd be up, you did 7. You entered like, say in the middle here. Oh, no. Stop, whatever. I didn't mean to do stops. Oh, no, you're right. Like 10K right now. That would be lit. Full TP at London High. Boom. Yeah, that'd be sick. All right, now let's see what happens at London High. We're officially in London High. Now let's see what happens here. Do we get nice? My guess is price, unless price just shoots through it, right? Could displace through London High. uh, 847. Honestly, if it breaks above London High and displaces, it's probably going to 22914. That's the next day high, and then after that, it's 22934. Yeah. I would probably, I don't know. I'll let you do whatever. If anything, like I'd watch on the 1 minute what it's doing at London High, because it's at London High right now, so it could consolidate a little bit and then displace above a high, and you kind of wait for, like, there's a 1 minute fair value gap, see if it comes and tests that. There's, yeah, it could just go though. It could. Yeah, it might. Or if you look at your 1 hour, no, we have 27 minutes. Because if we get a fair value up here, we have a fair value up right at London high. Oh now it's gonna take it away because you just said that. Stream's working out nice. Stream's working out, yeah. Just took TP though. Nice, yeah. I assume you took TP at London High. That was a great one, Kyle. I think I'm about to get an entry soon. Nice, Kyle. That's sick. Nice. I didn't realize tomorrow's a half day in the market. Because Friday's a bank holiday, and like the 4th of July is. I wonder if we. The mentor is saying he's not trading tomorrow because it's a half day. I didn't realize that. Kyle, would you trade tomorrow? I was planning on trading tomorrow, but won't be trading in Q rest of the week. Oh, dang, is this the last day we trade? That might be the smart move. You'll trade GC in Asia though? Okay. Is gold good in Asia? Definitely never trade on half days. Okay. Liquidity is horrible. Okay. All right. I won't be trading tomorrow. Dang, I didn't realize that. I thought it was a full day. Dang, we only have 3 trading days this week. Frick. GC in Asia is amazing. Okay. I might have to back test that or go check it out. I would love to trade Asia session. Like trade New York session in Q. I would love to trade something in Asia. I've thought about maybe going JPY. Like trying to do like a Forex. You know, JPY or what's the other ones that you can do? Crypto's one, I guess, but Okay. Okay. No, he closed his at London High. I'm pretty sure. Honestly, the market this week was not bad. With a few, I trade GC. Okay, very similar to my. With a few trades, TP at 5 points though. Oh wow, 5 points. Okay, that's tight. Oh, that's not bad. I can't do Asia session today, but I might start checking out GC and Asia session. Yeah, maybe we get something here soon. No, you wouldn't have. No, you wouldn't. You would have blown your account on this one red candle here. The 955 AM candle and the 940 candle. Count blown. This drawdown on 930 candle blown. drawdown on the 945 candle blown. Yes. That 955 candle definitely would have blown your account. I'm telling you that right now. Oh, patience will pay off today. I feel it. Oh, I see Kyle DM'd me. Where's my username? I think this is my username. I think this is about to give it to us. Let me see. Casper just got out of his trade. He just does it with the trailing stop. That's how he gets out. All right. Let's see. Sell. I'm just getting this already. You're doing 35? Oh, I was like, I thought you were being smart. Oh. Alright, maybe we won't get it. Yeah, maybe we won't. Yeah, it's just creating more TP. I love me some TP. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get one. and then shoot. Yeah, like right now, sweep the high and then pop. We'll see. Yeah. You're trading with 7NQ? Yes. We're trying to be very aggressive with these prop firm trading and get them past very quickly. But we're also trading on a 300K Apex account. Oh. Kyle he created a indicator and he sent it over to me to check out, and I just added it to my chart. I told him what I'm trading with in Q, and he's like, Jesus, oh my God. Like, he's like, dude, that's crazy. Because most people won't trade that size. Okay, Kyle, just to be clear, that's not my normal trading. This is just to be aggressive with the evals. If I was in my normal, it'd be like 1 to maybe max 3 in Q. If I was funded. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna adjust some of these settings. Plots, background. Let's do this. Gray. And the opacity goes low when the fair value is inverted. Okay. Oh, here we go. Green. I'll make this one. This is at 50. I'll make them a little darker for me. 5, and what is this? 15. We'll do 35. Fair value at middle line. Mitigation levels. Oh, see, one just got inverted. Just popped up. I'm probably not gonna take it because I would need to back test this a little more, but I mean, maybe. Long. No. You got 3 minutes and 41 seconds. Can't see my screen? Oh. Oh, because I closed it out. Here. There you go. I just shared it with you. So there's a fair value gap way over here to the left. And if we invert this M5 gap, I'm gonna long. Okay. I might do a small one with you. I'll do a small one. I'll do like 1 in Q. Kyle, my brother is riding with 11 in Q with you. He wanted me to tell you. Yeah, so far I love it. I just like how it shows me the whole where the fair value gap came from and where it's. Yeah, no, I love this. I love this a lot. 11 in Q, yeah. Kyle's like, you're an idiot. What's the buffer on your account? $7,500. So he would blow his account if he lost, yeah. Probably. Actually, I don't know. Depends on where he puts his stops, but let's see, buy limit. Like for me, I'd put it down here. My account wouldn't blow with 7. Be pretty dang close to make 26. A single loss will blow, yeah. Basically, yeah, we take pretty high risk on the for the evals to hopefully get, because we're not shooting, like, I don't know what your TP, but my TP would only be to 1.5 standard deviation from the inversion. I'm gonna take this one, Zachary, once it inverts. The big down 5-minute candle below us. Yeah, they're all evals. We wouldn't do this in our funded or like live accounts. It's all evals. Yeah, they're Apex. So, and there's a discount right now where the resets are $50. So we're like, all right, we'll be really aggressive during this time. Worst case scenario, I'm doing like 2 accounts. So worst case, if I blow it, I'll do a $50 reset. And we're just being very aggressive. But then once we get funded, we would not be trading with 7 or 11 in Q. We'd be trading with I'd be around like probably 1 or 2 in Q. So it didn't. No, it didn't invert. So don't do it. I'll let you know if I do it, to wait until if I tell you or not. 1. Yeah, I didn't do it. Just buy a new one that's cheaper. Okay. Right now the ones we're right now we have the ones we have, it's actually cheaper to reset than to buy a new one. It's $100 for the monthly cost and then $50 for a reset. Yeah, but you're right. If I was doing like a 50K account, like sometimes the resets are $50, but if I have my discount, I'd be paying $30 a month for a 50K account. Like, yeah, it'd be stupid to reset. Just pay for a new one. $50Ks, okay, yeah. We're going for the 300Ks because we like the drawdown when you get funded and the amount, like the size you can scale up if you ever wanted to like really scale up over time. Because we do like taking those bigger positions. They are fun. Yeah, 50K accounts are the most popular because like your drawdowns, like I think drawdowns like $1,500, but you only need like $2,000 to pass. So it's pretty easy to pass a 50K. But then on 50K, I think you can only take 5 as your max contract size. Or maybe 10. I could be wrong. Let me look. I might be saying things all wrong. Apex. Let's see. 50K accounts. Let's see. 50K. Yeah, 10 micros. Your profit goal is $3,000. Your drawdown's 2,500. So like your drawdown to profit ratio that you got to do is very nice. Like basically one trade that's 1-to-1 will get you past on the 50K. Yeah, we're taking 20 in Q, Kyle. We need a little bit more. Just kidding. As I grow buffer. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Thank you for sharing that again, Kyle, this indicator. I appreciate it. Yeah, you're right. I haven't. Oh, jeez. The main reason I like the larger account is the drawdown. The $7,500 in drawdown. So, like, it would take a lot for me to blow an account, and I can trade my normal size without having to worry about it. That's why I like the bigger accounts. And then as we grow the account, we can scale up to a higher drawdown. Or I mean higher position size. Yeah, yeah. 2K every 8 days. That's kind of ridiculous on that payout requirement. I really want to get a take profit. Once I get my payouts on Apex or Top Step, whichever comes first, I would really like to do a take profit trader. I like their payout rules. So within that 3-month, wait to take more than 2K per day. Got it. Yeah, yeah, okay. We just want to be able to scale up more than 10 in Q. 2K every 8 days on 20 accounts is 40K. Yeah. I mean, that's all right, Kyle, right? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That is a nice freaking payout. Looks like we might invert again. Yeah, I love the EOD drawdown. That's my goal because they're a little bit more expensive than Apex, right? So my goal is to like get funded with Apex, get some of those payouts, and then go with Take Profit Trader and get on their platform too. I know. I know. I'm more just being stupid and trying to be funny right now. You're completely right. The reason why I like the bigger is the drawdown. That's the real reason. So the reason I like it too is like I could start on 1 in Q and not have to worry about, like, say if I was on a 50K account, if I traded 1 in Q, I'd be pretty nervous that I'm going to lose that funded. Like, I could lose that funded in one day. Or if I traded 1 in Q on a 300K account, I know it'd take me 7 losses, maybe like 6 losses to blow my account. And I don't have to change anything in regards to my size or like my model or anything. I could just stick to normal. I'm not loving. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I like Tradeify too. I've been looking into them. Yeah, we're full for it. I could. I do have some $100 or 100K accounts too that I'm looking at, or that we're trying out. Buy limit. Let's see. Yeah, it's true. All right, Zachary, I'm getting ready to do this one in 2 minutes. Potential long for me if the M5 candle closes above. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna do it too, Kyle. Take it with you. Two 2848. Okay, yeah, my TP is a little lower than you. My TP is like $5 lower, I think. Trail on M1 order blocks before change the state of deliveries. Okay, sounds good. Looks like we're gonna get that inversion. No. If it closes, it depends on where the body of the candle closes. So the body of the candle, I leave. If it goes up above the red line, I put it at the red. If it's below that bright red line, I put it at the next closest one.
Order filled.
Dude, no way. Oh. Did it not tap me in? What is this? Oh, it didn't tap me in. Dang. Dude, no way. That sucks. It literally would have hit TP immediately. That sucks. Almost. It's like a pixel away. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off just because I already hit the TP I was targeting. That sucks! No freaking way. I just did that. That sucks. Yeah, there's another inversion right after this one. I'm gonna try it. That sucks. How did it not tap me in? That would have smacked. Literally in like 2 minutes. Yeah, the long isn't looking good. And it's failing to invert anyways. Dang, on NQ it hit TP, but on MNQ it just missed TP. I might get stopped out on my MNQ position. Yeah. But I did very light risk on my funded. Yeah. That's fine. It looks like we're getting an inversion on the 5, which would be great. This would be great. It went long. For me, it would need to close above 848. Yeah, 0.25, yeah. Yeah, like my funded account right now, Kyle, I only lost $200, $230. Like when I'm funded, I'm very different with my trading. I'm so bummed that it didn't tap us in. MNQ tapped me in, but NQ just missed the tap in. So bummed. Hopefully this one inverts to the downside and we can catch a good short. This would be actually with my model where it inverts a fair value gap formed within the New York session. Hopefully it does it. We'll see how this goes. Should play out. When we backtest this, especially once it inverts fair value gaps within the New York session, they play out typically pretty nicely. But we're looking for small plays, not similar to what we just did, like a quick play just like that. Yeah, I mean Q very close. Well, yep. But it hasn't closed yet, so we gotta wait for that closure. It might not invert it. Okay, 20 seconds, let's see. Yeah, right here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, no inversion, so no trade. I'm so bummed that one did not tap us in, dude. Would have been immediate. Yeah. You know what's a bummer? On my other one that was on InQ, it tapped me in, but how InQ hit TP, that one barely missed TP. Yeah, dude. Like, dang it. I only lost $200 though, so it's okay. We could get an inversion if it pumps up. What? Oh. Dude, 3 minutes left. Let's see if it does it. Oh. All right, 2 minutes. Let's see if it gives it to us here. Get a quick little scalp in here. Very quick scalp. Ding, ding. Yeah, dude, we've been chilling. Lit. You did. Dude, you made a bag today. $100. Actually, yeah. I'm just kidding. No. It's for fun. Yeah. 1.5, yeah, Kyle. But I don't even think I'm going to get it. It doesn't look like it's going to give it to us. It could. What do you mean? 1.5 from where the start of the fair value? No. 1.5 from the candle that inverts it. might just do it. No, it's not. All right, maybe this one will do it. Yes, Kyle, that's right. 1.5 of the size of the candle that inverted. Yes. And that Kyle is the one that gives me the 90% win rate. Like on this would make about, let's see, this one so far we're making about, you know, 3 grand on a small trade like that. Looks like it actually isn't going to invert here. Maybe? I don't know. I know that a lot of people lost money today who went short. I know that the sky's blue, money's green. I hope we get one now, just because you said that. Because you think you know everything. You think you know everything. Literally? Yeah? Oh, yeah? You know? Say it again. Say it again. Say it one more time. Every time you said that, you go down a little lower. Watch, we're getting an inversion on this one. We're getting an inversion. Bang! Oh, it's last minute. It's going to give it to us. Yep. Yep. Yup. You know, because you said we're not getting one, you're not. If it inverts, you're not allowed to take it. You're not allowed to take it if it does it. You're not allowed to take it if it does. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, sure. Literally going to invert it. It might not.
Order filled.
All right, tapped in. Good for us. Yay. This is the one that doesn't hit today. Go down. I'm fine with this one. All right, we're in. Inverted. Let's see if we get a quick scalp to 1.5. Right, we're shooting just for 1.5. We have 5-minute fair value gaps below us. We're shooting for basically a little retracement of the 5-minute push that's happened so far today. Oh wait, I want to change this. We'll just leave it for now. Boom, let's go. Boom, come on. Come on. Give us 1.5. Come on. Let's go. Should hit. Should hit. Very soon. Suggest just a tad just to make sure it does hit. Your stop loss always internal high low. Yeah, I'm gonna move stops down and be a little aggressive here just because like our drawdown, you know. I'll move stops down to the 0 line on our fib retracement, because it should hit TP with the way this candle's moving. Should hit TP. Oh my gosh, did my things not take a trade with me? They did. Only the big accounts did though. That sucks. Oh, come on. Yes. There we go. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang, bang! I'm not an emotional trader, okay? I don't get really too emotional. All right, we're up $150 on the funded. How much do we make on that trade? How much do we make? $3,339. Let's go. Let's go. That's lit. In one candle. Let's go. Let's see. I'm going to make a text box just to keep track. Where's my text box? How much was it? Yeah, we would. We would be stressing. Dude, where's my text box? The guy I've been talking to in chat? Yeah, he has a model. What is going on here? Why are none of my text boxes working? Order background. Dude, why are none of my text boxes working? This is super annoying. Your stop loss always internal high and low? Yes, external high and low is usually what I put it at, Kyle. When you say 90% win rate, how many trades is that sample? That sample is, we do one and done. So like, one and done in regards, like if that day wins on the first trade, you're done. So how many trades did I take? Only 19 trades so far on that. We're gonna get, but my brother also was doing it on, so we're both back testing. He put in like, how many months did you put in, Zachary? He put in 3 months of data. I did 1 month. So we have 4 months of data, and all of those were 90% win rate. So my guess, I have 1 month. So my guess, that was actually about almost 100 trades that we took at a 90% win rate. Yeah. So it's about 4 months of data, Kyle. Yeah, dude, we'd be up nice. Dude, I can't do my text box. Pretty annoying. Bro, this is driving me nuts. There we go. Why was it not working? Okay, let me try this again. There we go. There we go. Do it right there. Trade number 1. No, we don't have an inversion. So that to my left, that is a previous inverted fair value gap. Yeah, the one here. So on this candle we tried to take. Yeah, but we don't have one right now currently. Yeah, but right now we do not have an entry model. There's no entry model. Yeah, because it already inverted. This is the one we tried to do. Yeah, so see how this one's like a lighter color and this one's a darker color? The darker ones are ones that have not been inverted. Lighter ones are ones that are inverted. Yep. So if it's a lighter color, it's inverted. You can now ignore it. If it's darker color, those are the ones we pay attention to. And then so if this candle goes up, you'll see a big red box will come up. That means it's inverting a fair value gap. He created the indicator. This is what I want to create. I want to create an indicator that like kind of goes with my model. This is something I want to create. I gotta. Kyle, did you do this with ChatGPT? Because I want to figure out how to create an indicator that kind of goes with mine too, that I can give out to people. Did you hear me? Was I being too loud? Oh. We got a good trade. Yeah, we made 3,300. Yeah. On the new model where we do the one, like the 90% win rate one. No, we're just gonna like, and our trading day goes till 10, so we're just gonna take the trades until 10 and then be done. Because tomorrow we actually can't trade. I didn't know that. We're not trading tomorrow. It's a half day. Yeah, so on half days, you don't trade because the liquidity is terrible on half days. Huh? Yes, please. Oh, that was fun. And that was quick. We were literally done in one candle. I love it. I love this strategy. Because like you literally don't have to sit and wait. It's literally like basically one and done. Most of the time. Sometimes you gotta sit and wait. But most of the time it's like one, maybe two candles, then you're out. What up? Oh. All right, we're up 30K for the day. We hit our profit goal of 20K for the day. Let's go, dude. Bitcoin's moving too. Bitcoin position's doing great today. So is our Ethereum. Solana finally good to go. I'm waiting for Solana to give me a good. About XRP, how's XRP looking? 3. You're back? Then having a little party? Yeah, you looking for your promotion, huh? Coming in early? What are you, a try hard? Jeez. And I was laughing when you're like, yeah, just coming in early. Like, yeah. All right, we made 30K for the day. I'm hyped. 3,300 on the 7 300Ks, and then 324 on my 100Ks. And then 150 on the funded. Not a bad day. Keep this up. Positive for the month. Or not the month, sorry, the week. Did you see what TradeSyncer added? Oh yeah, you're not. Yeah, if you weren't stupid. Did you see what TradeSyncer added to the dashboard and the journaling thing? Yeah, but it's not working. Like none of mine are in there, but They're changed. I kind of like it though. Yeah, I like it. I know. I'm glad the cockpit's working too. My one 300K account's at 305,000. How big was your position on that? I took 13 in Q on that one. Did you? Let me see. What did I do? Orders. Build. Yeah, 13. I did. How did you make more? You cheated. You must have got $3,339. Oh, that's right. You made $100 on that other one. Yeah, you cheated, dude. You cheated. Should have never taken that without me. No, we already said this. You would have blown your account. Yes, you would have. Remember, you already did this. That one candle right after you entered. Yes. The 9:55 a.m. candle. Oh, you're talking. I don't think so. That drawdown we were in for a little bit. Because we were in a little bit of drawdown. I think you would have blown your account. And then it would have ran to TP. It would have been good? Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Hey, but think about this. We consistently do this every day. Yeah, but for what you're risking, I don't think it's worth it. I'd rather do 3,300. Yeah. Because if you think about this, if we did this, it takes us like 5 days to get funded. 1 week. Maybe even less than 1 week, because sometimes they're going to be bigger. Yeah. Well, I think I'll do, if we get one more today, I'll take it, and then I'll be done. That'll probably put us over five grand in profit. I'm gonna do, if we get two, I'll be done. If we get 2 winners in a row, I'll be done. Because then if we get 1 more winner, we're over 25% done with the challenge. And that means we need 3 more winning days. And then we're done with our evals. Oh, we just got a fair value, yeah, potentially. Oh, never mind. It just started that candle, never mind. Hello, dude. I just backtested the past 24 hours on your model. Actually, crazy win rate, right? It's a crazy win rate, Kyle. It's a crazy win rate. Like, it works well. He backtested the last 24 hours, and I think he took every. My guess is he probably took every inverted fair value gap, and he's like, the win rate is insane. Yeah, dude, our win rate is crazy, dude. Dude, I'm so excited. All right, sorry, let me. Actually crazy. Yeah, every inverse survivor took a win from Asia Open to now. Oh, wow, from Asia Open to now. And the trades too, Kyle, the nice thing, they're fast. They're usually very fast. Like, you're not sitting around waiting for it to hit TP. It's like one camp. Sometimes it is longer than that. Sometimes you sit in some drawdown. But most of the time, it's like one candle, maybe max 5 candles, and you're done. So you're not sitting around for a long time waiting for it. Yeah, I'm excited about I'm excited about this strat. Yeah, they're smaller wins. They're not huge, right? They're not huge wins. Yeah, they're not huge wins, but those wins stack up when you get a 90% win rate. When did you come up with this? We just came up with it last week. We literally last week were back testing it and like doing a bunch. This is our first day implementing it in the market. We did a bunch of back testing over the weekend, the last week, and then today, or not today, the beginning of this week. Me and my brother would just sit on a call and like do it together, and yeah, dude, we got excited. Because we've been messing around with my model, and like my model's not bad. Like the original model's not bad. It's got almost a 60% win rate. Your profit factor's 2. Your average win to loss is decent. Your day win percentage is like 75% of the days are green. Like the original model's not bad. But like, dude, if you can have a 90% win rate strategy, like on gold, nah, okay, yeah, maybe it doesn't work on gold. But yeah, on NQ it stacks. Okay, yeah, we're gonna try to get more time in on it too. We're gonna try to get like, because we had 5 months in and we were doing it for we were only back testing from 6:30 or 9:30 EST to 1 p.m. EST, and those are the only times we were back testing. We didn't do London session, we didn't do Asia session, and we were only doing one and done. We weren't doing every inversion of the day within our sweet spot. So like we want to do more back testing. Like, what does it look like if we take every inversion in the day? What does it look like if we take, you know, what if we started at actual New York Open and took every inversion? Does that work too? Like, so there's a lot of different data points we're trying to get. But yeah, I love that now I have my brother doing it with me, because now I have someone like doing it. You know, you're not doing it alone. It makes it way more fun. Before, I just sit here by myself, just like doing it and like getting all the numbers. Yeah, one and done. Yep, first inversion, you get a winner, you're done for the day. And that was like really good, because then you're not sitting around all day, right? You're one and done, you know. And if we're making $3 grand on a trade all across 20 accounts, you know, that's not a bad day. Okay, sweet. Yeah, thank you Kyle. Let me know if you ever want to hop on a call with us. We are always like hopping on calls. I can always invite you. We kind of do it in crazy different times of the day. Like we're very like sporadic, but Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm down. This is all I do now. You and your bro? Okay. Yeah. I'll for sure. He's trying to get to the point where he can quit his job. He would love to like get to a point where like he can do the trading full time. I've been showing him and like teaching him everything I know, and he's loving it. But he also like the reason why we went to 300K because he's got a pretty good job. So like to make it worth it, we had to go bigger size. Like we can't do like these $200 wins and stuff. Like it wouldn't be worth it. We had to go bigger for him, and so I was like, all right, I'll go bigger with you. Because he's just got to make it worth being able to like leave his job because he does have a really good job. Yeah, shoot it over in or I'll maybe do a Discord. I can do a Discord chat with me, you, and my brother. Even if it's on multiple accounts, yeah. Yeah, he's just got to make it worth it. He's yeah. Let me see. How do I do? Let's do. Where would you like to go? How do I do this? I just put us in a group chat. Yeah. No, you're totally right. You're totally right, Kyle. Maybe I can explain one day a little better. I don't want to say it on stream. Hey, Zachary, just so you know, I muted you because I was hearing all your background noise. I don't know if you're trying to... Oh, okay. I put, hey Zachary, do you see I put me, you, and Kyle in a Discord chat? Yeah, I put us in a Discord chat. You could ask Kyle for his indicator. It's invite only. See if he'll give it to you. He should. I think he would give it to you. So since I'm already usually in on M5 inversions, I'll try running both. Sweet. Thank you, Slayer. Did you see it? It was a killer trade. It was one and done. We got a new strategy that we've kind of not new strategy. I say that. We have a tweak to our model that has changed it from a 57% win rate to a 90% win rate, Slayer. We're really excited on this. And it's so far this morning, it's worked out. Send me your TV name and I'll send you the... Hey, Zachary, send him your TradingView username. Do you know? Do you know how to get that? I think it's like top left corner in your top left corner, and then it's like your username up there, whatever that says. You click on like your profile photo, and it'll show you your username. And then he'll send you the invite to his indicator, and then you can just add it to your chart, so you have it just like mine. Then you don't have to then you don't have to chart out every fair value gap. It'll just auto do it for you. It's pretty nice. Top left corner of your trading view, like where your profile picture is, and then that username you see up there. Yeah, so type that in, like go to Discord and send him that, and he'll send you an invite to the indicator. No, I thought you said your username was Balzac11 or whatever. Oh. Oh, my phone's about to die. Dude, we didn't have power yesterday for like 10 hours. Yeah. Something happened where like our area lost power and our house was hot. It was warm. All right, price is not really doing anything. We only got an hour left. We might not get another trade, which I'm fine with. That's awesome. I just got back to my room and watched the replay of the winning trade. Did you show the strategy by any chance so I can go back and watch it? Yeah, I mean, we talked about the strategy a lot. It was just basically we just wait for a 5-minute inversion, and then we shoot for 1.5 standard deviation of that candle, the candle that inverted. So right, so like candle inverted, fib retracement, and we shoot for the 1.5 standard deviation. That's it. And it's quick. It took us less than 5 minutes to hit that. Do you stop trading at 10 a.m.? Yes, I stopped trading at 10 a.m. What I found, Kyle, is like after 10 a.m., the trades stop being good. Like that's when you start getting into like maybe more drawdown, potential losses. So for me, I just stopped trading at 10 a.m., which is like 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's like the PM, New York PM session. I find like the evening session for New York is just not as good as the morning session. And for me, I don't want to sit here all day, like trading till, 1 p.m. my time. I just don't want to sit here and do that. I would like to be done by 10 a.m. and I can go hang out with my daughter, go golfing, go to the driving range, do chores around the house, like whatever. And then I can have my life. But if I can trade for 4 hours a day max and make 5 figures, I'm chilling. I'd love that, Zachary, he sent it over. Do you know how to access it? Let's set up a tea time. Yo, I'm down. So Zachary, what you do is when you go to your indicators, do you see that indicator tab at the top of the screen? You click on that and you go invite only, and it'll be in there. And then you click it and then add it to your screen, and you can just change the settings. So like you can change the colors of your fair value gaps and stuff. On the 11th, I'm down to go golfing, Kyle. You just click it, and then, oh yeah, and start, and then just add it to your screen, and then on the top left-hand corner, right under where it says Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures, you'll see the indicator. You just press the settings tab to change the colors of those fair value gaps and stuff. The 11th, let me, oh, the 11th, I'm out of town from the 11th to the 15th. Kyle, we're gonna set up a tea time, okay? I want to go golfing with you. I would love that. Yeah, he's nearby where I live. He's not super close. We're like an hour away from each other. Not bad. Like, we definitely can easily set up a tea time. Share your screen with me. I'll tell you if it's working. Did you draw this for value gaps, or is that the indicator? Okay, so click on the, see the Mount Olive FVG? Yeah, click the settings cog. Yep, and then go change all that stuff. But you might need to close your trading view and then reopen it to like have it set properly. Yeah, X out of your trading view and then put it back. That's not an inversion. Yeah, close it out, fully leave it. And then go back into it, and then it should work. And then you can change the colors of your fair value gaps, the opacity of it. So if you want them a little darker, whatever, you can kind of customize it. Dude, Bitcoin is ripping right now. I love it. Yeah. I think I'm not a good golfer, by the way. It's just fun to hit balls and drive a cart with a few. Yeah, dude. I don't care if you're good or bad. We could even play a scramble, like where we just play best ball. That's always fun too. So like, say if like someone's not a good golfer, you know, we could play a scramble. I know, we might not, which honestly I'm fine with. We would, and that would suck. It would be. Yeah, no, I like this new strategy, dude. Yeah. Which that's easy. I already know how to do that. Because a lot of those would like, we would, because it's one and done, right? We would let it invert a fair value gap to our stop loss. Like, I would never do that in real life. I'm gonna make another indicator for you. Okay, sweet. Yeah, BDC's going hard right now, Slayer. My position's doing pretty good on it. I think I'm up like, let's see, up 69% right now. 76% on ETH. So we're doing pretty good. So you don't have to draw it. Oh, that'd be sick. Dude, that'd be sick. Kyle, how are you doing this? Are you doing it with ChatGPT, or how are you making the indicators? Because I want to try to make it some indicators too and mess around with it. I remember me and you would sit on ChatGPT and do like the Pine scripting and stuff. I assume it's like the Pine script stuff. I've never tried to make an indicator before. Dude, Bitcoin is moving right now. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, use Grok. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. I was not expecting you to say that. That's funny. LOL. That's funny. Joking. Yeah, you're good. That's funny. I like that joke. Yeah, but also kind of true. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go see if my coffee got here. I'll show you guys. Here's the Bitcoin position, right? We played it off that day fair value gap, right? Or no, we entered off the inversion, right? Why did we do that? Why did we enter here? Was it 4 hour? I think I just entered because I liked the momentum. I knew that maybe we'd get into some drawdown with this fair value gap down here, but yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Why did I enter there? I think I just like the displacement off this fair value gap. That's why. Let's see our Ethereum. Ethereum's doing really good right now too. Ethereum, I was able to play my my inversion. Ethereum though, I'm shooting like Ethereum is. I'm holding this for. I think Ethereum's about to have its move finally. Like finally have its move. Like really, my targets for Ethereum are these highs. These highs up here. I'll probably take partial TP at 2.5 standard deviation from the inversion. I'll take like a 25% TP there, but I'm hoping to hold this Ethereum to the for its full move to back to all-time highs and stuff. Let's see Solana. How's Solana looking right now? Hey Zachary, can you just let me know if we're inverting or anything? I'm watching some other charts right now. Okay. Solana might be giving me an entry signal here off this fair value gap. If it can push up and bounce out of this fair value gap, I think I might be comfortable taking a Solana position. Stops probably to this low. But I'll wait until probably this day candle closes. Let's see, 3-day. 3-day bounce off like this order block and fair value gap down here. But it did break this low here, which I don't love. What about 4 hour? 4 hour has these double stacked fair value gaps. Seems to be holding there. But we are inverting. If we can invert this 4 hour fair value gap, I think I'll take it on Solana. Yeah, I'll be taking this. If we can invert this guy here, I'll take that. Yep, I'll be watching for that on Solana. Let's go XRP. XRP, do we have any fair value gaps here? No. See on the day. XRP is bouncing off of this day fair value gap here. I think I'd be comfortable taking that on XRP too. I think I like Solana a little better, but because Solana's inverting that fair value up on the 4 hour. Yeah, I think I'll be opening up a Solana position in the next 3.5 hours if we can get it. So on my fair value gap, you can set alerts every time there's an inverse. So you see the Sol ETFs pass. Yes, I did. The Sol ETFs I'm stoked about. You can set alerts every time there's a... Oh, nice. So then you don't even have to stare at the charts. Let's see. I could probably do... What do you do? Add alert. Thank you so much. You're on the live stream, just so you know. Thank you. Oh my gosh. My mom says hi. Oh, you can right here. Mount Olive, bullish. Oh, let's go. Yeah, yeah. Mount Olive bullish, same as chart. Yep, on the 5-minute. Once per bar close, or once per bar. We'll say once per bar, and it's open-ended. The indicator, yeah. Can I do any fair value gap? I would probably have to set 2 up. Bullish and then bearish. Let's go. I like that. Then I don't have to sit here. Once per bar, yeah. That way you know ahead of time, yeah. No, I'll be doing that. I'll add it right here. Price, bullish fair value gap, 5-minute, and then once per bar, and then open-ended. Message. I can even alert the Discord community. I'll first just do this. Set, and then we'll do add alert. Bearish, same as chart, once per bar. Great. Sweet. Yeah, one per bullish. That way, you know. Yeah, I love that. I love that. I'll probably have to shut them off though for the tomorrow, so my phone's not getting blown up. Oh, maybe a fair value gap. All right, we got 40 minutes left in 40 minutes left in this trading session that we're going to be doing, and we'll see if we get one more trade or not. You know what's nice? I think I'm going to actually be going golfing in the morning tomorrow, probably like 5 a.m. with my buddy. So I'm going to let him know I can go. I didn't realize I'm not going to be trading tomorrow. Kyle, if you want to go golfing, it'd be super early. But we'll be going golfing at like 5 a.m. tomorrow, 5:30 a.m. We try to go every Thursday when I have a bank holiday or something, a day I can't go. We try to hit this executive course near by where I live. But I know 5:30 a.m. is pretty tough. Not many people are doing 5:30 a.m. tee times. I got it. Okay. You're awake every day at 5 anyways? Yeah, same. Okay. Yeah, no, we will. We will for sure. Are you watching Jinxie? Yeah. Oh, trading view indicator. What did I get? Bullish fair value gap detected. Oh, nice. It even lets you know when there's a fair value gap detected. Oh, I like that. Oh. Yeah, I know, dude. You have to be up that early. Oh, Zachary, you're not going to be in town tomorrow. Oh, wait, you will be in town tomorrow, right? You want to go golfing? What time are you going to get down here? Oh, dang. Me and Lima are going to go golfing at 5 if you want to join us. 5 a.m. Leave earlier. Yeah. Yeah, leave tonight. All right, we're inverting. Are you going to take this long, Kyle? Hmm? I think so. Honestly, because we already won, I don't know if I'm gonna take the full risk. I might do a little lighter on this one. Yeah, he's taking it too. We're all taking it. Have your way, half mine. Oh shoot, we did it. Frick. I'm not paying attention. Oh shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Let's see. Hang on. I gotta get over here too. I was not paying attention. What? Oh, frick. What did I do? I accidentally... Oh my gosh. I messed up in here. There we go. Frick. No, it's fine. Why are you stressing? Seven. Sell limit 7. I played in a golf tournament last week, but not this week. This week's just for fun. Just with a friend. You didn't. I mean, I'm risking like a normal amount. I didn't go crazy. Okay, perfect. Oh, on his it came up. Okay, should be fine. If we invert this fair value to the downside, I'll close this. Still in yours? Yeah, I'm still in mine. I think we're okay. You're just stressing. You're just freaking out. All right, 1 minute and 52 seconds. We'll see. If we lose this one, we'll still be up for the day, and I'll probably just call it because we'll still be good for But if yeah, if it inverts the other direction, I would close because that'd be a for me a what's the term? Invalidation of my move that I'm targeting. And that technically be an entry signal for me to go the other way. So I think we're okay. I mean, I'm not worried. Technically, I'm supposed to, but this one I wouldn't. If we invert this one, I'd probably just close out and be done for the day. Because we're almost at the end of our trading day anyways. But if it was like 8 a.m., probably I'd take the into the opposite direction. All right, 30 seconds. Let's see if it inverts this thing or not. I got my finger on the trigger just in case. 17 seconds. 17 seconds. Come on, don't invert it and then give us the next candle to skyrocket to the TP. Okay, didn't invert. Let's hope this next candle can smack TP real quick. I'd really appreciate that. Yeah, that's how models work. It's okay. It's still got 4 minutes in this candle, so it should be okay. Maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, 1 minute's not looking great. We'll see. I might actually take this next one. Why not? We're still in our trading session. Technically, though, for the model, this one wouldn't have been in my model, Kyle. This one technically wouldn't have been in. It's only valid for the fair value that's formed for my model with the ones I formed within the New York session. We still got 2.5 minutes. It could push out of this fair value app. It's right. It's tapping into some of this consolidation here. Could totally push off and then still do it. I've seen it do it before. Honestly, what might even be worth doing is literally just holding it until it hits the 1.5. Because a lot of times too, it'll do this, mess around, and then even hit. Let's do. I might just go short here. Minute and a half. Let's see what happens. Come on, fail to invert. Fail to invert. Come on. Push out of that. Don't invert it. Come on. Could fail to invert. I'd really like that. Oh my gosh, it might just fail. We need it to fail to invert. Come on. $44 seconds. What up? It might fail to invert. We'll see. Oh, come on. 27 seconds. Fail to invert. Come on. Come on. Yes. Fail. Fail. 20 seconds. Yes. Yes. Come on. 10 seconds. Let's go. Hold it. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully it holds. Oh my gosh. That's why anybody watching right now, that's why it's important to wait for candle closure. You never know what the candle's going to do, because now this is probably going to go hit our TP. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, hopefully this should play out now. I mean, it's respected this fair value gap potentially, and hopefully it does. Hopefully it can push up. Yeah, like this. I think if it is able to get up to these highs, it might be able to displace a little bit to smack our TP. So, yep. I'm gonna move stops up a little bit. I moved stops, Zachary, up to the 1 minute 12:03 candle. What's up with the RR? What's up, Danny? RR? What do you mean by that? Let's go. Come on. Hit that TP. Give me my money. Actually, I know, right? We got saved. Hey, that's why it's so important to wait for that candle closure, dude. Like, I can't tell you how many times. Like, if you were someone, right, who didn't have that rule to wait for candle closure, you would have for sure closed your trade. And then you would have lost, and then it might hit, right? Like, if you did not have that rule and you were disciplined and stuck to that rule, like, you for sure would have probably let yourself close that. That's why I stick so strictly to my rule of, like, wait for that candle closure. Dude, I'm so bummed. I accidentally opened a short instead of a long on my funded account, and I lost $100. And so I'm only up $22 on that account. But if this trade hits, I'll make 500. So, but that sucks. I would have been up like $600 on the account. Like, why is your stop loss so large and TP so close? Just wondering. Oh, okay. Yeah. No. That I'm glad you asked. So I have my model. My model is we wait for inversions on the fair value gaps. Stop losses usually go on external range liquidity down here. And when we get an inversion, so this candle inverted, we're only looking for a 1.5 standard deviation move from the candle inversion. So my model, we were just kind of going over this. I don't want to feel like I'm like trying to brag or like go, you know, I'm just explaining it, is a 90% win rate when we shoot for this. And if we make this, you know, we're making a couple $1,000s on this trade. We took one already. We made $3,300 on the trade across 27 accounts. Some were smaller, some were $324 in profit, but my big accounts hit $3,300 in profit. So we're up 30K for the day, shooting for just small. Yeah. We're trying to see how we can make that better, Kyle. Like, how do we not have to deal with some of that drawdown? And also, Kyle, what you said in the change in state of delivery, I would love that. Honestly, I think if it has a change in state of delivery, it's just going to whack TP. Like, I don't even think it's going to really, you know, play around too long. I think our TP should be whacked like almost instantly if it can close above that high. And then that's 2 wins. If we win this one, I'm done for the day. That'd be about, I think, like $6 grand for the day. There we go. I'm gonna move my stop loss up to the 12:30 candle on the 5-minute. It should not come back down to there at this point. We should hit TP. Is my guess. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Danny. Yeah, stick around. Thank you so much for the follow too. I hope you come watch the streams and stuff. And also, I want to be clear with you too, Danny. A lot of these are evals, so we're trying to pass evals, so they're not all funded. I have one funded account over on Top Step right now, and then I have I'm doing a lot of evals right now with like Apex. Yeah, this P&L right now is just like to get our evals done. So like I didn't actually make that yet. Now when we get funded, we'll be making that, you know, but our goal right now is just to get these evals done. And we're trying to shoot like across the accounts like 20K a day, you know. So today we hit our profit goal, and hopefully, you know, if this trade can smack, it would be well above our profit goal for the day. But it's kind of, this trade's making us work for it a little bit longer. Last one hit in one candle, so this trade here inverted here in 1 5-minute candle, it smacked. That's usually how it is. It's like usually 1 5-minute candle, taps it, and you're done. Sometimes it makes you sweat a little bit, and maybe it takes like five 5-minute candles. Sometimes like about, what is that, 25 minutes? I'm gonna move my just a little bit under that, just so sometimes it feels me weird, but we'll do it like that. TP should be hit in this candle is my guess, maybe, if we can just kind of get a little bit of a move. Stoked you're here though, Danny. Thank you for the follow again. If you want to join our Discord, link in my bio. I think on Kick it should be in my bio. Let me check. I know Kick, I haven't really customized my whole channel and stuff. I probably should spend some time doing that. I'll probably have to do it later. I don't know. All right, maybe the next candle. That's how many candles has it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe the fifth one. Maybe the fifth one can give it to us. Oh, actually, we still got a minute in this candle. If we get stopped out now, I think we're still green for the day, over $1,000. So wouldn't be bad. What happened? What happened? Danny followed on Twitch. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, dude. Thank you for the love. All right, no fair value up there. Let's see if it'll push. Come on, man. There we go. Come on. Give it to us in this candle. This is our fifth candle. Come on. Kyle, this one's like taking it slow on us. It's being kind of rude. One minute has this fair value up down here. 1 minute could come and test this fair value up before it actually pushes up again. But we did invert a couple fair value ups on the 1 minute to the upside. We did break structure. Or change the state of delivery, maybe. It's very small. Come on, 5 minute. Come on. $43 stop loss for 9 points. Yeah. So. Let's see if it inverts this. Hopefully it doesn't invert this. Darn, if it inverts that, we're invalidated. We're close out. Come on, don't invert it. Dang, I thought for sure that was going to hit TP on that. After the respect to that fair value app, dang it. I know, it's just annoying. It's annoying that it's going back down here instead of just hitting our TP and then doing this. Like, why couldn't I have hit our TP, you know, and then go to the fair value? How long have you been trading for? I've been trading for about 1.5 years now. So I'm still pretty green. Like I don't consider myself an expert or, you know, the best trader in the world. Like, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. And have a lot to learn. Until I got like 5 years under my belt, then I consider myself like, all right, I'm like a professional trader at that point. Or even just getting like 5 years of actual trading underneath yourself. Like, then you can see like, all right, over 5 years, have I been able to do it, you know? All right, we only got 10 minutes left in our trading session because we only trade till 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time or 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll see if this candle closes through. We'll call it for the day. Take a little loss here, and then but we'll end in green on the day unless it gives some crazy wick down and stops us out. I think we're still in green on the day, even if it stops us out here. See the 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute tapped in that fair value gap. Hopefully it pushes off that fair value gap now and inverts this one. Yeah, okay. I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing on the 1 minute. Yes. Yeah, tapped in that fair value gap, pushed off, and inverted off that fair value gap. Sweet. Sweet. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweet. I'm gonna move my stops. Oh wait, I'm already there. Never mind. Yeah, I'm not gonna move my stops. I guess I could move them up. I could move them up to that 1246 candle on the 1 minute, but I'll wait and see if we break. But if we break this structure, I think we'll probably just hit TP anyway, so I'll kind of watch. Dude, this is super annoying. It keeps coming down to this stupid fair value up. Just leave it alone. Look at these wicks. I like this candle. Another crazy bullish wicking candle. Come on, hit our TP now. Like, quit doing this to us. Let's see the 1 minute. I'm liking the 1 minute. Created a fair value gap too off the inversion and off this 1 minute fair value gap. Hopefully it can keep pushing. It is chop. The 5 minutes chop for sure. Like, this is disgusting. This is ugly. Yeah, the 5 minutes, the price action on the 5 minute right now is disgusting. Like, this is, I hate it. Look at this. This is disgusting. I'm having fun. I love just sitting and chop. Now look at GC. Oh, hang on. Danny said, nice. Not bad for only a year and keep up the grind. I got 5 years under my belt, but haven't had solid consistency until recently. Feels surreal after all these years. Good, dude. Now look at GC. It's so much cleaner. Let's see. Where's my ES chart? Look at gold right now. GC. Oh no. Come on, dude. Just give it to us. This is annoying. Oh yeah, GC is very clean. GC had a great inversion too on the 5 minute this morning. Where's 9:30 open? Yeah, push down, inverted up on that candle, would have hit. Yeah, gold is very clean. This price action sucks right now. Come on. I hope I don't have to close it on a stupid inversion like this. Come on. Let us be. I know, dude. Like, ooh, it's like talking to us like, oh, does this annoy you? Is this frustrating? Are you becoming an emotional trader? Let me tap it again. Oh, you're emotional. Ooh, look at your emotions just oozing. Let me do it again, one more time. Stupid candle. I hope it does it in the next 5-minute candle so we can be done right at 10 a.m. I know, it refuses. It refuses. It's strong fair value gap. It doesn't matter about the size. It all matters about how you use it. Don't forget it. Yeah. And Q's like, hey, you were having a great morning. I saw you were very happy. Now I'm going to just ruin it and make you sit in consolidation for no reason. And then I'm going to tap your TP after I wasted your entire morning. Point range. I love it. Literally. Let's see. Yeah. You thought you were going to be done for the day? No. No, no, no. Listen, go back to this top and like, ooh, look, I might hit it. I might hit it. But also that fair value gap. What if we go touch it again? Yeah. Yeah, 100%. And your average win to loss percentage? Yeah. That's why we have it just to 1.5, because then if you get into profit, right, that trailing drawdown, you take full TP, not having to worry about that trailing drawdown. Because typically if you go into profit on these small ones, you typically hit TP very quickly. I mean, now this one's an unusual one, but let it hit TP, because I think it will hit TP. It's just being annoying. And I just don't have anywhere to put my stop loss yet. Or like to move up. I guess if the 1 minute breaks this high to the left, maybe we could do that. We can move it up to these lows. There we go. 1 minute. Come on. How much time do we have left on this fuck? 2.5 minutes. So that's 3 1-minute candles. Come on, 1 minute. Break the high. There we go. Close above the high. Did it close above the high? Barely. I might move my stop loss up to the 1 minute 1246 candle. I want to see what this next candle does. If this next candle like kind of closes above the 1 line, I'll do it. I just don't want to move it too soon if it still wants to play in this range. Come on, dude. 3. Yeah, just give me one candle. Like, we're not even asking for a big candle. We're not even asking for a big candle. Like, we're asking for a candle that goes, you know, 5 points, 5.5 points. Yeah, I agree. Right around here. Yeah. I 100% agree. And it'll hit it immediately. Like, literally just, it'll tap above this and then pop, just smack our TV. That's why I'm trying not to move it too fast. Because if it's going to play in this little range right here, I want to see it close above this, on the 1 minute, above this one line. And like give us a closure at these wicks. And then I'll move it up. But the 1 minute looks disgusting too. Like, it's just got these little ranges. Just. All right, so this is the last. Oh, we just got a 5 minute. Perfect. Come on, this 5 minute candle is the candle. This is the one. This is the 5 minute candle that taps this out. Come on, this is it. This is gonna be the one. There we go. It's breaking above the one line. Come on, close above the one. Close above it. Close above it. Come on. 10 seconds on this 1 minute candle. Come on. Ah, you annoying candle. $40 for 9 points. Isn't it so much fun? Isn't this fun, Kyle? You're not having fun? I love sitting in consolidation and drawdown. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, we need to retest that 5 minute fair value up just one more time before we hit it. Yeah, we just gotta really make sure that fair value up's gonna hold. I swear, if it goes down to that fair value up again, I'm gonna be pissed. Come on, 1 minute. What are we at? All right. Come on. Break above that high. Break above it. Break above it and displace. Yes! Yes! Bang! Bang! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Bang! I hate consolidation. Oh my gosh. Why is my sell stop still here? Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. We only made $1,000. We only made like $1,400 on that trade. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. All that work for $1,400. All that stress. Yeah, I know. I don't know why that didn't. Usually it takes it off for me. I don't know why it did that. I'll make sure all my... Dude, let's go. Oh, the strategy's good, dude. All right, let's see. Number 2. Sorry, I don't mean to sound like... I'm sorry, I don't mean to sound like that, but like, if you know what I'm risking on that, and the amount of time we sat in consolidation for that, it's The RR is rough. Yeah, that was great. That was great. That was good. How much do we make on that? We'll see. Yeah, he took it too. He took it. Yeah, he hit too. Let's see. Filled. How do I see my positions? How do I see how much that one made? Oh, that's right. That's right. I was at, let's see. 3339. Minus 438. Oh. To the point. Yeah, like to the tip. Let's see, what do we have for the day? So 493. Oh wait, let me just do this. 438 times 7. Okay. Six, and then 493.12. Oh, it's a great day. Bang, great day. Why didn't it change it? There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Guys, that was a great day. We're done for the day. 10:07. Well, actually, no, 10:05 to the T. Let's go. That was a great day, guys. 2 winning trades. And we done. We smacked. We made about $4,000 across those. Thank you. Great day. We're up on the prop firms because I'm trying to get these evals done. Let's see. What are we at? We're at 5,000, almost $600 in profit. So I got to get 20K in profit. So I'm down. I got 14K more to go. So like, that's why when I'm like doing these big positions, I'm trying to get 20K in profit to get funded. But yeah, this is great. This is good. This is exactly what we wanted. This is a great day. I didn't mean to sound like when I said $1,000, I don't want to come off like, you know, I know that might make people mad, but I am super grateful for that. That was a great day. Great day. And it's fun. I love trading. Honestly, I love trading, dude. I think it's a really fun thing to do. It can be boring, you know, we're just waiting, but once you get your opportunity and your model hits, it smacks. It smacks. So today we hit our profit goal. I'm super stoked about that. We were able to hit the profit goal. Our profit goal in a day is 20K minimum, and we were able to go double that. So I just wish TradeSyncer like showed me. TradeSyncer is like updating their dashboard, and because it's been not very great, but hopefully they can update it. Monday we made 17.8K, and then Tuesday we lost. Like $1,000, I think, and then today we made 40. So we're green for the week. But look at that. I'm so glad. I think it's about to invert this for everybody too. I'm not going to be taking this because it's outside of my trading range, but man, I'm happy. I hope you guys had a good trading day. I hope, you know, if you're watching, you're like just trying to check out the model that I do. Like I'm giving this for free. Like I'm not having anybody pay for it. Like I'm not, you know, and I'm obviously not a pro. Like I'm learning, but like this model I think we found is like really good. Like I think this model that we've created is like excellent. So I'm really excited to like continue using it and continue getting it done. But dude, that hit perfect, dude. Like literally to the tick. Like let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at how perfect that was. Oh my gosh. If it was one tick less, we probably would not have smacked. But that's how that's what it did over here too. Over here, it did it like perfect. It hit the tick perfect and then done. Like that's why I don't like staying in the trade for too long, because a lot of times they'll do this. They'll flip on you. So that's why I like shooting for that 1.5, because it's super consistent. But yeah, I'm very happy with today. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. We're up 481 on our actual funded account, so that's good. Like that's good. That's a great day. $481 on my actual funded account. That's what I could actually pull out, you know, actually take payouts. I'm very happy with that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you guys had fun. I did. Kyle, I'm super stoked that you came and hung out with us. Danny, thank you so much for the follow and joining us. I hope you enjoyed. You know, you just caught like literally the last 10 minutes of the stream. That was like the best 10 minutes of the stream. Like we had one trade earlier, but that was fun. That was fun to wait for that. But yeah, sometimes you sit in drawdown and it really messes with you, but that's why you just got to stick to your model, keep it mechanical, stay disciplined, and it usually works out. At least that's what I've been able to find out. So guys, thank you for everyone that showed up. There's about 50 of you in this stream right now. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you're enjoying the content. I hope you're maybe even learning from this. And that's the reason why I do these live streams every day. I don't have to live stream. Like, it's not something I have to do, but honestly, I enjoy it. And I honestly do it because I want people to learn and potentially, you know, be able to take the stuff I'm showing, apply it to their lives and their accounts, and, you know, change their lives too. So, yeah. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out. I hope you're having fun. We will not be streaming tomorrow because it's a half day and we don't trade tomorrow. And then we're definitely not trading on Friday because it's 4th of July. So the rest of the week, we will not be streaming or trading. And neither should you. So if you're sitting here and you're like, tomorrow I'm going to trade, I don't care if it's a half day, whatever, I'm still going to trade. I'm telling you right now, save yourself the headache. Sure, you might be able to win. Maybe your model hits, but it's not going to be as good as a normal trading day. So just take the day, okay? Even if you're red for the week, because if you're red for the week and you're going to go trade tomorrow, you're just revenge trading because you're hoping to go green. And honestly, if anything, it might hurt you more than help you. So if I can give you any advice, take the next 2 days, don't trade, and come back on Monday, okay? So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'm saying this because I've had to learn from that, because I was someone who'd be like, oh, they're not trading, that's stupid, I'm gonna still trade, I'm gonna still go try to make it work. And honestly, usually that's when my worst days would happen, or I'd just ruin the rest of my week, and then I'm going into the next week already down bad and just frustrated, you know. So don't trade tomorrow, don't trade Friday, and we'll see you Monday on the stream, okay? So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Hope you guys have a good 4th of July. And I'll see you on Monday. What day is that? Monday. July 7th is when I'll be streaming next. All right, everyone. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Again, Kyle, shout out to you for coming and hanging out. Danny, thank you for hanging out and following. Infoline, thank you for the follow today. Slayer, thank you for coming and chatting and hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you. We'll see you.